Hi, Emily here from Current Body with the latest of our how-to videos. This one is about a fantastic innovation from the team at Foreo. This is the Foreo UFO, which combines Swedish technology with the Korean sheet mask trend. What they've done is they've taken away the kind of icky, wet sheet mask sensation where you have to lie there for 20 minutes with the sheet mask on. They've added some really clever beauty device technology into that sheet mask category, and combined they give you a fantastic experience within just 90 seconds. Housed within this little beauty are different technologies. So you've got T-sonic pulsations, which is the same as they use in their cleansing brushes, and you've also got heat technology, cooling technology, and 3 different capabilities of LED light. So you have red LED light, which is great for revitalising the skin. It produces new collagen over time and overall gives a kind of improved appearance. Green LED light, which helps with pigmentation and brightening the skin. And then it also has the capability to use blue LED light, which is fantastic for killing bacteria. So for those who suffer with acne, it's a real bonus. At present with the device, you've got 2 different types of mask. You've got the day masks and the night masks. And where the device becomes really clever is that you can download an app to control the type of light the device gives out, timed with which mask you're using. So I've got the night mask here, which contains ginseng and olive oil. And when that one is put on the device and combined with the app, you get red light continuously for nighttime revitalisation. However, if you pop the day mask on, you get a minute of red light followed by 90 seconds of green light. So what Foreo have done very, very cleverly is that they've built in a series of capabilities within the little device, and they will be bringing out different masks for different problems that people have with their skin that you can purchase over time and build up your collection. So this is the UFO app, which is designed for use with the device itself. On the very first use, you'll need to connect your app, but after that it recognises it. It's very clever. So at present you've got a couple of different masks to choose from. You've got the day and you've got the night. I'm going to go for the Make My Day mask, which contains hyaluronic acid and red algae. So to kick things off, you press start and you need to scan the barcode on the back of the mask so that the app knows which treatment you're starting with. So it's a simple case then of opening it up and putting the little sheet mask on it. Then you've got 15 seconds to get that done, and after that the device will start working. So this is just the little pause before we get going. You'll then see the different lights start to work. So we've moved now, and the treatment's starting, onto the red LED light. So red LED, as I mentioned, is for collagen production. Now at the same time, the device is actually heating up. So the circular metal element there actually does get really rather warm. Now that's the thermotherapy, which helps to awaken the skin, and the gentle warmth sort of pushes the benefits of the mask into the pores. After 30 seconds, you then get the T-sonic pulsations as well as the heat and the red LED. So it's really like a very gentle, soothing facial massage. And obviously the heat brings the blood to the surface, so you do come away with a nice rosy red radiant complexion. And for the final 30 seconds, the device switches into the green LED light. So that green is really gentle and it gives you a brighter appearance. Again, it's really working with those active ingredients in the sheet mask to push them into your skin for that really quick 90-second treatment. You're now able to repeat the treatment if you feel like it, because the mask actually is full of active ingredients, so you might want to make sure that those are really into the skin. So it's as simple as that. So that is the Foreo UFO. As you can tell, I am a massive fan already. I've really worked this into my routine. I used to do a sheet mask probably once a week, once every 2 weeks, purely because of the time constraint. Whereas now, actually, this is in my routine 2 or 3 times a week. I tend to do a couple of evenings and at least one morning, because who hasn't got 90 seconds? So if you have any further questions, you know where we are at currentbody.com. We'll be more than happy to help.